Who's ready for some fun? Well, welcome back. Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you're watching from. It's late August 2024, and the temperature this morning, just before the sun's coming up, was at 6:48 a.m. Eastern Time. 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're heading up to Brasstown Bald today. Awesome ride, and we're gonna climb to almost 5,000 feet. And I checked the temperature before I left because the temperature there currently is 44 degrees Fahrenheit. So when I'm riding early like this, obviously you're scanning the sides for deer, but there's no traffic, so I ride as close to the center lane as possible in case something does come out that buys me just that half a second more time to react, evade, defensive maneuver, whatever it is. So I don't know what you guys do, but that's my tip, and that's what I do. Small town back road. Sun's bright. I don't know about all you guys out there that ride, but to me, 50s and 60s Fahrenheit is the absolute perfect temperature for riding. Got a decision to make. This is the town center. Okay. Alright, yeah, this is Main Street. Main Street. Cleveland, Georgia. Let's see what this is all about. Looks like an old courthouse in the center. It's got a historical marker, so I'm sure that's what it is. 21 miles to Brasstown Bald. Historic White County Courthouse Museum at 1859. In a small town. Clyde's Table and Tavern. Finn's Grocery. Alright, so we just dropped into the town of Helen, Georgia. On our way to where we're going, it's 56 degrees here. And if you come right up here in October for like Fall Foliage Festival, there's a massive Oktoberfest here. I mean massive. Obviously, it's like a Bavarian town. So we are 12 miles away. The turn to Brasstown Bald is right here. What an awesome ride, though. And it's not very wide. There it is, Brasstown Bald Visitor Center, highest point in the state of Georgia. Alright, so it's 4,784 feet, the highest point. Here's a little history of Brasstown Bald. So it was first visited in the 1500s by Hernando de Soto. So that's why the falls are named De Soto Falls. And then the Cherokee Indian inhabited the area as early as 1650. And they worshipped Blood Mountain. That was their holy place. Gold rush hit here in 1828. Cherokee were removed from the Trail of Tears, and Brasstown comes from settlers' confusion over the Cherokee pronouncement, place of fresh green and brass. So they couldn't pronounce it, so that's how it became pronounced Brasstown Bald. So we come to the bottom of the mountain, and you got this thing that says Flying Off Rattlesnake Mountain, a historical novel about Micajah Clark Dyer, pioneer aviator, 1822-1891, a genius who lived here in Choesto, Georgia in the 1800s. He invented a flying machine that accomplished controllable flight and other vital aeronautical features many years before anyone else had conquered such obstacles that were preventing sustained flight. He filed his application for a patent for an apparatus for navigating the air with the U.S. Patent and Copyright Office in Washington, D.C., June 10th, 1874. Granted the patent number 154654 on September 1st, 1874. So he lived here. Huh. Flying Off Rattlesnake Mountain by Sylvia Dyer Turnage. How about that? And his grave site is located in Old Choesto Cemetery. Died in 1891. Imagine that guy just running and jumping off the side of a mountain in that thing. Crazy.